India is a highly civilized country. India is a highly civilized country. I hardly slept last night. I hardly slept last night. I have seen you buttering up the boss. I have seen you buttering up the boss. He is proficient in English. He is proficient in English. Today I am feeling uneasy. Today I am feeling uneasy. He was sleeping under the tree. He was sleeping under the tree. The sky is overcast today. The sky is overcast today. My strength is all gone. My strength is all gone. I agree with you to some extent. I agree with you to some extent. Why should they try to influence him? Why should they try to influence him? I guess this was inevitable. I guess this was inevitable. I got the news from a reliable source. I got the news from a reliable source. I won't tolerate your mistakes again. I won't tolerate your mistakes again. There's a river near my house. There's a river near my house. Wisdom is better than gold or silver. Wisdom is better than gold or silver. You are exaggerating the problem. You are exaggerating the problem. I would rather discuss this later. I would rather discuss this later. It's a very delicate question. It's a very delicate question. Is it a compliment or an insult? Is it a compliment or an insult? Are we going for? Are we going for? Tom is shameless. Tom is shameless. Do not tempt me. Do not tempt me. It is evident that he did it. It is evident that he did it. It is clear that he is guilty. It is clear that he is guilty. She usually gets up early. She usually gets up early. There is a large mountain. There is a large mountain. It was you who shattered my dreams. It was you who shattered my dreams. I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I think it's very impressive. I think it's very impressive. What was the cause of the fire? What was the cause of the fire? I think Tom is too outspoken. I think Tom is too outspoken. He had a deep affection of his aunt. He had a deep affection of his aunt. I am certain that he will come. I am certain that he will come. We live in the same alley. We live in the same alley. Don't be such a pessimist. Don't be such a pessimist. He was a bit of a dodgy character. He was a bit of a dodgy character. Your patience irritates me. Your patience irritates me. The school is at convenient distance from my home. The school is at convenient distance from my home. A good book is a requisite for a long journey. A good book is a requisite for a long journey. Children are the most vulnerable members of society. Children are the most vulnerable members of society. Your opinion is reasonable. Your opinion is reasonable. He received many letters from well-wishers. He received many letters from well-wishers. Needless to say, he kept his promise. Needless to say, he kept his promise. The recipe is sufficient for 6 people. The recipe is sufficient for 6 people. The approximate time is 3 o'clock. The approximate time is 3 o'clock. I don't think his plans will ever materialize. I don't think his plans will ever materialize. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.